Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use Copilot to plan your day. So here is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to need your help managing my day. I have a lot of things to do and I want you to help me organize them. Organize them as you can see. So here's the first prompt that I'm gonna make. It's clear for it. Here's everything, and I will literally just gonna let you down everything in priority. So he's telling me what to do. I need to list everything, prioritize them as the most important one, and time block and assign chunks of time for each category, for example, and then keep it realistic. Don't overload, leave buffer time for breaks and unexpected things. So I need to go in the morning, like 7 a.m. to the gym. After that, I need to work online for 4 hours, and then I will need probably sleep for a couple of hours, like 1 or 2. Then I need to go back and work online, and after I need to play some games. Of course, make sure to include lunch and dinner and sleep time. So here's what I did. I mentioned everything, and now he's going to break down everything for me and help me do it. So start strong your workout session 7 a.m. and then come back. And if you're off to gym, eat your breakfast at 8:30 and then start working online from 9 a.m. until 1 p.m. For 1 p.m. you should recharge yourself, recharge with a proper meal, and then take a nap, rest to regain energy for 1 to 2 hours. Then 3:30 online work, another productive block until 6:30, and then have a dinner, game and leisure from 8 to 10:30, and then have like light reading, wind down, stretching, relaxing, and then 11:30 you should sleep. And that's how we plan our day. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.